Well, so far so good as we go through this evening. Definitely very warm and windy, which could set the stage for strong to severe thunderstorms. But any severe weather is well off to our west. You can see this line of intense activity in northern Iowa and southern Minnesota, including a tornado warning. They're under a watch in yellow here. For us, little activities just trying to get going in southern Wisconsin. But right now, it's just general showers, though we could be looking at some stronger storms later this evening, which is why our area is still under a 3 to 2 out of 5 threat for severe storms. Spots that are seeing severe weather right now, much more likely to get severe weather, including all the way up to a 4 out of 5 in northern Iowa and southern Minnesota. Now for us, if storms are able to enter the picture after sunset, there's still a chance we get some strong to severe activity. All hazards would be possible. The thing they're running into, though, is what we call a cap on the atmosphere. So it's a layer of warm air above us. As things heat up at the surface and warmer air rises, it runs into that warm air, maybe forms some clouds, and that is about it. So a lot of what is moving in now and could move in later tonight might run into this stout cap on the atmosphere. It's kind of like the lid on a pot. That steam's not escaping the pot at all with that lid on there. So that could prevent a lot of the storms from firing up tonight. If that lid or that cap is able to break, we have severe weather or at least some strong thunderstorms. But again, not looking the greatest right now for that cap to break. So latest trends keep everything fairly quiet, though make sure you've got ways to get alerts throughout this evening just in case. Let's now look at future tracking. You can see early this evening that cap is really preventing anything from firing up. Right around sunset, though, we may have to watch and see. Does that cap break a little here? And now we're getting some stronger thunderstorms a little after sunset. So early this evening, that's when we could see some stronger thunderstorms. Again, we'll have to see. Does that cap hold on? Then later tonight, anything coming in from Minnesota and Iowa doesn't look to hold together. So we could end up with a quieter night ahead as a result of those storms fizzling out late tonight. So early tonight, some isolated storms. Then it's warm and breezy with a low of 60. After that, though, these storms are being fired off by a cold front, so that sweeps through by tomorrow. We're still looking breezy, but this time winds are out of the northwest, blowing in some colder air, so we'll have a high of 67 right around sunrise, and then temperatures slowly drop all throughout the remainder of the day. And in general, the 80s that we're seeing today do not hang around. Down to around 60 for a high on Wednesday. We may see some more rain late Wednesday evening into Wednesday night. That sticks around on Thursday. Then a separate chance for showers pops up Friday evening. Note those temperatures, again, looking a lot cooler than what we've got going on right now. We do start to warm back up, though, this weekend and next week. It looks downright summer-like by next week as we get deeper into the month of May with some quiet conditions. So it looks like the end of this month has spring. Next week, summer is around the corner.